Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to insert basic timeline in Microsoft Word. So how to insert basic timeline in Microsoft Word? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, go to the Insert menu. Tap the Smart Art menu. And the Choose a Smart Art menu will appear. Tap Process. And scroll down to find the timeline. Tap Timeline. And tap OK. The timeline that we will create will appear. Here you can edit the timeline. First, change the contents of the timeline by tapping the text twice, and type the text you want to insert as in the example, and so on. After finishing, and how the timeline is lacking, you can add it by tap Add Shape on the left side of the screen and type the text you want to add. Tap Timeline and drag to enlarge the timeline. You can also change the timeline model by tapping the down arrow as on the screen. Here are many choices of timelines that you can choose according to your needs. Then you can change the color by tap Timeline. Then tap Change Color. And you can change the color on the timeline. Okay, so that's the tutorial on how to insert basic timeline in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.